how to create relaxing videos on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own relaxing videos on YouTube and how you can make money off of it as well. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here at the top, as you can see, I'm on YouTube right here, and what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to search for relaxing videos to show you why you should create relaxing videos. So let me just search for relaxing music videos or relaxing music over here. As you can see, we have a tons of search over here, and what you'll notice is that the views on these types of videos, they're incredible. So this video, it's 3 hours long. It has over 335 million views. All right, granted it was uploaded 5 years ago, but you can see it's still a lot of views. And then over here we have a live stream of relaxing videos, and over here 2.7 thousand people are watching it. And then we have 25 million views over here, 657,000 views, 71 million views, 3.1k live watching, 9.5k watching over here. As you can see, a lot of tons and tons of views. There's a lot of views, and these views estimate into a lot of money. So for example, if I choose this video right here that has over 300 million views, so if I pause this video right here, if I copy the link, I come over here onto Social Blade right over here. Let me just go over here, and I'm gonna enter in this video right here, and I'm gonna search for it. And okay, so this channel is active, so it's not giving me the perfect exact stats, but it's still a lot of views and a lot of people are watching it. So as you can see over here in TubeBuddy, 335 million views. God damn, that's a lot of views. So people are earning a lot of money all over these videos, and as you can see, they're really easy to make. Like, they're really simple, they're really easy, and there's nothing too technical about it. Just some pretty decent images, and then you have a pretty nice music video at the background. So let me just show you how you can create it. So first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and find some footage for our video. So for that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to Pixabay, and over here, let me just open this up in another tab. And over here, as you can see, this website provides you with a lot of stock footages, a lot of stock images that you can choose from. So it has tons and tons of videos. So let's go ahead and click on the videos tab to open up videos. So over here, as you can see, we have tons and tons of videos. So now, since we are trying to create a relaxing video, so what we're going to do is we're going to find some footages for that. So over here, as you can see, something like this would be really, really perfect. Something like this over here, like this video, like something that's pleasing, that's calm, that's relaxing, like this one over here, ink underwater. Like, it's really nice, it's really, really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to download a bunch of this, and don't worry guys, this site is completely free and they're all stock footages, so you won't have to worry about any copyright strike or anything like that. Like, it's for public use, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to open up a bunch of these videos up in different tabs. We're going to go ahead and download them, and then we're going to make a video out of them as well. So we're here, let's go with this one, and one more, let's go with this one as well. So as you can see, we have these videos right here. So let me just go ahead and download them. Yeah, download this video. I want to go with 1080p. I don't want to go too high. All right, we're just simply going to go ahead and click on download, wait for a couple of seconds for the download to begin, and then we're going to go ahead and move on. So over here, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it relaxing, put like a backslash over here. There you go. And I'm gonna go ahead and download. Boom, there we go. Now let me just go ahead and see where it downloaded. Here we go. Yeah, it's right here. Let's go ahead and download this one as well, and I'm going to download all of this, and then we can go ahead and move on to the original creation for these videos, so that you can see how easy it is to create these videos, right? So don't worry about that. So let me just go ahead and download this one as well, and you're gonna see guys in a little bit that the process is so easy, and it's really, really not difficult, and the amount of work that is put into these videos are very, very minimum, and the results are astonishing. So now that we have all of our videos, right, now what we need to do is we need to go over to a website that provides us with free musics as well. So luckily, Pixabay is a website where you can also get free music as well, like copyright free music. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and search for relaxing over here, and we're just simply going to go ahead and enter and search for some relaxing music. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and listen to some of these musics and see which one fits the criteria best. So let's go ahead and play this one. Also, let me just turn on the audio for you so that you guys can also hear. So this is the song right here. As you can see, it's really simple, really soothing. I actually like this one. Let's go ahead and listen to this one as well, both of us. Yeah, this is also pretty nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna download this song right here. Go ahead and click on download, and we're gonna save it over here in relaxing as well. Gonna go ahead and download. Boom, it's downloaded. Now we're gonna download this song as well, and we're gonna put it in the exact same folder. Go ahead and start download. Boom, it's done. So now we have our music. Now we have our videos. Now all that's left for us to do is just compile them together, and boom, we have ourselves a video. So you can go ahead and create a video by using a different softwares like Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, or any other online video editor tool that you can use for free. And because it's so simple, you don't really need a high-end editing software. It's just really simple. It's just connecting all of these different clips that we have and connecting the music, and boom, you have it. You can even make these types of videos on Canva if you would feel like it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Premiere right now, and I'm going to show you how you can basically create these amazing videos. All right, so I've opened up my Premiere. I'm going to go ahead and add in a new project, and I'm going to call it relaxing videos, and I'm going to click on enter. And now what's left for me to do is I'm just simply going to go ahead and import all of the videos that I have that I just recently downloaded. So these were all the videos that I downloaded, so I'm just simply going to import them over here. Actually import the audio as well. We're going to put them in our bin right here. And now all that's left for us to do is just simply, select all of these footages that we have, and now let's just put them all into the timeline over here. So this video had a audio sample, so let's just go ahead and remove that. And now let's just go ahead and add our music at the end. So as you can see, it's just like that. It's really simple. Now if I play it, this is how it looks like. For me, let me just go ahead and add like a subtle effect over it, which is called dip to black, so that it, it's a black screen that just moves over. And then I'm also gonna put in an audio effect as well. It's called constant gain, so that the audio also is a little bit subtle. Hear it. See, that looks really nice. So this is the type of video that you're going to be creating. Same over here with this one as well. Now what you can also do is you can add like a effect, like a fade effect, I think, or like fast blur in or fast blur out. You can add all that over here. Like if I click over here, see what I mean, like that. But it was a little bit weird, so we're not going to be using that. We're going to use other video effects. We're going to go over here into video effects, and we have adjust, we have blur, we have distort, we have all these different ones that we want. So we're going to go into transform. No, we don't want that. We're going to go into transitions. We want linear wipes. Well, let me just see over here how that looks. I'll play this. I don't know if it worked. Okay, so it didn't work. So what we're going to do is we're just simply going to go ahead and add like dip to black in all of them, because it's just so easy. So I'm just simply going to copy this one. I'm going to paste them over here in this cut, and this cut, and in this cut as well. Let me just go ahead and adjust it real quick so that it, falls on both of them, and so that the transition is much more smoother. Doesn't look like it's going out of balance. Next, as you can see right now, currently the video is only 2 minutes long. That really doesn't matter, because you're going to be doing the exact same process, and what's you're going to be doing is you're going to be downloading more videos. You're going to be downloading more videos. You're going to be downloading more audio. You're going to be, compiling them all together so that it makes like an hour-long video, or 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. It all depends on you. Like, that's how it's gonna be. So let me just put that at the end as well. So it's really simple. And another thing, let me just go ahead and lower the volume for the audio so that it's not too much. See, looks really nice, right? So this is what I mean. This is the type of video you'll be creating, and boom, you're good to go. So next, we're just simply gonna go ahead and export this video, and we're gonna be exporting them over here. I'm gonna call it completed video, and then we're just simply going to go ahead and click on save. We're going to click on export. Now the video is exporting, so just give it a few seconds and we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video right here and catch you guys in a second when it's done. All right, the video has been exported. Let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks like. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and shut up now for 5 seconds. There you go. As you can see, the video is really nice, really good. Like overall, I think it's pretty good. So that's how you basically create a relaxing video, right? Really simple. Find stock footages, find copyright free musics, and then just put them together, and then just simply upload them onto YouTube, and boom, that's it. That's how you create your relaxing videos for free. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, thank you guys for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.